Hi everyone, this is the Edison Public Library, and today we're going to be looking at how to use the database Kanopy and Kanopy Kids. As you can see, I have our website pulled up already, which is edisonpubliclibrary.org. When you open up your internet browser and type it in, it's going to bring you to this home page. So from there, what you want to do is hover your mouse over the Research tab, and you're going to see a drop down, and you're going to click on Databases. The Edison Public Library offers a ton of different databases, but we're going to look specifically today at Kanopy. So you want to scroll down until you can find it. Kanopy is an awesome database. It has over 30,000 films, documentary, foreign language, and training videos, plus a whole section on children. You can access it on the computer, tablet, or a phone. And all you need is your Edison Public Library card in order to access it. So once you get to the section where it says Kanopy, what you're going to do is click Access Now, and it's going to bring you to your home page. If this is your first time coming to this website, what you're going to do is sign in. As you can see, I'm already signed in. So what you would do is enter your library card number. You would enter your information like your first and last name, your email address, or they also have a sign up through Google or Facebook, so you can use that as well. So from here, you can see there are tons of different movies. This is Kanopy, so this is more geared towards adults, not children. So there are tons of different types of movies, and you get 7 films a month to watch. So as you can see up here, it shows me the number of films that I have left to watch. So if I wanted to watch any of these, I would just click on it, or I could add it to my list to be watched. Your account information is all going to be here. You can see your viewing history. There is parental controls, and you can browse through different movies. They also have different types of categories that you can look through. So if you're interested in any kind of social sciences, health, education, all of the above. And then they do offer these staff picks, and these are movies or documentaries that the staff has chosen that work for Kanopy. So now I'm going to show you how to get to Kanopy Kids. So at the top there is a link right here. You can see my cursors over it. You just press this, and so if you have children, young children at home that want to watch different things on television or your computer, this is a great website. Kanopy Kids is unlimited, so that means that they have unlimited amounts of movies they can watch. As you can see, there's movies, TV series, story time, funny stuff. There's tons of different categories that you could look through. There's even, informational, educational videos that you can have them watch, and you would just click on that and they can begin to watch. Overall, this is like similar to any kind of streaming services. So if you have past experience using Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hulu, any of those types of online streaming services, it features very similarly. So yeah, here is Kanopy and Kanopy Kids, brought to you by the Edison Township Free Public Library. Thank you for watching and have a great day.